Welcome to this introductory video for ID116, 3D Animation 1 at Butler Community College. In this video we will walk you through the essential programs for this course: Blender, Open Broadcaster Software or OBS, Adobe Premiere Pro, and ArtStation.com. I'll explain what each program is, where you can download it, and how to get it up and running on your system. Let's get started. First up, Blender. Blender is a free, open-source 3D creation suite used for modeling, animation, texturing, rendering, and visual effects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Blender has a huge array of tools that cater to all levels. This is the primary software that we will be learning in class. To get Blender, head over to blender.org. You'll find the download button right on the homepage. Blender is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, so select your operating system. Once you've downloaded the file, follow the installation prompts. On Windows, it's as simple as running the .exe file, choosing your install path, and hitting install. For macOS, just drag the Blender app into your Applications folder, and you're good to go. Next, we have Open Broadcaster Software or OBS. This is a free and open-source tool used for screen recording and live streaming. OBS has everything you need to create high-quality broadcasts. This software is great for when you are struggling with something. Rather than writing out the issue in an email, record your screen and send that to me. It will help me diagnose your issue faster, so I can get you back on the right path. To download OBS, visit obsproject.com. Once again, select your operating system. OBS supports Windows, macOS, and Linux. After downloading the installer, run the file and follow the steps. OBS is straightforward to set up. Just choose your installation preferences and hit install. Once it's done, open the program, and you'll be prompted to set up your recording or streaming settings. Up next we have Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a powerful, industry-standard video editing software used by professionals and creators worldwide. A little basic video editing can really make your project shine. As a student enrolled in a qualifying Butler CC course, you have access to the Adobe Creative Cloud suite of programs. To get Adobe Premiere Pro, go to adobe.com, sign in using your Butler CC credentials. Premiere Pro is available for both Windows and Mac OS. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud app, which allows you to install and manage all of Adobe's programs. Find Premiere Pro, and click Install. Finally, let's talk about ArtStation. ArtStation is an online portfolio platform used by professional artists, especially those working in 3D modeling, concept art, game design, and visual effects. It's a hub where artists can showcase their work, connect with the community, and even find job opportunities. To check out ArtStation, head over to artstation.com. Having this software up and running on your computer will help you start the semester right. In the next video we will begin exploring Blender and the 3D creation process by creating a complete scene from start to finish. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing what you create.